Wait. I know you're probably trying to buy a house. You want to buy a condo, a co-op, but you're like, whoa, there's so many things. Mortgages are tricky. What do I do? Where do I start? I have bad credit. How do I do down payments? And you're going crazy right now. Wait. Calm down, relax. Watch this. My name is Malcolm Marcelle. I do mortgages. That's what I do. I want to give you the behind the secrets. I have over 10,000 followers on TikTok. My Instagram is growing. My YouTube's growing. And I'm here today to help you guys. I want to help you become knowledgeable on mortgages so you don't get ripped off. Let me give you the behind the secrets, the back secrets, the secrets they don't want you to know about. Shh. I'm here to give it to you. So make sure you follow my channel, watch my videos, comment, like, subscribe, and I'm going to give you a whole bunch of content. I'm going to show you about 2 or 3 K loans. I'm going to show you about FHA. I'm going to tell you about conventional. I'm going to tell you the difference between a condo and co-op and why you should get a house. I'm going to help you get that multifamily, and I'm going to show you how to get generational wealth. My name is Mr. Marcel, aka the real Mr. Marcel, aka your favorite loan officer. Let me help you.